Have you ever wondered how digital marketing works and how it affects our economy and products? Well, let's break it down. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to connect with customers where they spend much of their time, online. It's a broad umbrella that spans everything from email to social media, SEO, and beyond. Take a moment to consider how often you interact with these channels in your daily life. You might start your day checking emails, then scroll through social media, and later, use a search engine to find a recipe for dinner. Each of these interactions presents an opportunity for marketers to influence your purchasing decisions. Digital marketing also plays a significant role in driving our economy. It enables businesses to reach a global audience, fueling growth and innovation. It allows for targeted, data-driven strategies that can lead to increased sales and customer engagement. So, now that we've got a basic understanding of what digital marketing is, let's delve deeper into its various types. One of the key pillars of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. So, what is SEO, you may ask? Well, it's a strategy to enhance your website's visibility in the organic or non-paid search engine results. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they are seeking, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. Here's how it works. Search engines crawl the web to understand what your site is all about. They pick up on signals like keywords and backlinks to determine the relevance of your site to a user's query. The better your site's SEO, the higher your site will rank on search engine result pages. Why is this important? Higher rankings can lead to more clicks and ultimately more customers. That's the power of SEO. In essence, SEO makes your website more attractive to search engines, helping you reach more potential customers. Another powerful tool in the digital marketer's arsenal is social media marketing. This strategy involves leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote a brand or product. It's not just about posting ads though. It's about engaging with your audience, sharing valuable content, and fostering a community around your brand. The beauty of social media marketing lies in its dual-purpose function. On one hand, it allows businesses to reach millions of potential customers, spreading brand awareness like wildfire. On the other, it provides a platform for direct interaction with customers, a space where they can ask questions, voice concerns, or simply share their love for your product. This direct line of communication is invaluable. It allows businesses to understand their customer base better, respond to their needs more effectively, and build a level of trust that traditional marketing methods can't match. By leveraging the power of social media, businesses can interact directly with their customers and build stronger relationships. Now let's talk about pay-per-click or PPC. It's just as it sounds, a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a method of buying visits to your website, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Here's how it works. Advertisers bid for ad placement in a search engine's sponsored links. Then, when someone searches a keyword related to their business offering, their ad might show up in the top spot on the search results page. Now, each time the ad is clicked, sending a visitor to the website, the advertiser pays the search engine a small fee. But why do businesses use PPC? Simple. It's a powerful tool for driving traffic to websites quickly. It's particularly beneficial for new websites seeking immediate visibility or established sites looking to promote a time-sensitive offer. So with PPC, businesses can essentially buy visits to their site, boosting their visibility and potential sales. In the age of social media, influencer marketing has become a game changer. But what is it exactly? It's a strategy where businesses collaborate with influential people, known as influencers, to promote their products or services. These influencers have a substantial following, usually on social media platforms, and they use their influence to sway their followers' purchasing decisions. Influencer marketing works because it capitalizes on trust. People trust the opinions and recommendations of influencers because they see them as authentic and relatable figures. It's like getting a product recommendation from a friend, but on a larger scale. The role of influencer marketing in shaping consumer behavior cannot be overstated. It can spark trends, create demand, and even change perceptions about a product or service. It's an organic way of reaching potential customers, making it a preferred choice for many businesses. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool, leveraging the trust and admiration people have for certain personalities to promote a product or service. Affiliate marketing is another interesting facet of digital marketing. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. This strategy revolves around a symbiotic relationship between businesses and affiliates. Imagine it like this: you have a product or a service, you want to sell more of it. So, you partner with an affiliate, which could be an individual or another company. This affiliate promotes your product on their platform, which could be a blog, a website, or a social media account. They use a unique link that can track where the traffic is coming from. When people click on this link and buy your product, the affiliate gets a commission. This strategy can significantly boost sales, as it leverages the reach and influence of affiliates to tap into new customer bases. In essence, affiliate marketing allows businesses to partner with others to promote their products, benefiting both parties. Despite the rise of social media, email marketing still holds a strong place in digital marketing. It's a strategy that leverages electronic mail to communicate with potential and existing customers. But it's not just about sending out random emails, it's about crafting personalized, engaging content that appeals to your audience's interests and needs. Email marketing is like the digital version of a handwritten letter, allowing businesses to maintain an intimate connection with their customers. It's not just a platform for promotion, but a tool to build and nurture relationships. It's about creating a dialogue, not a monologue. Moreover, it's a cost-effective strategy with a high return on investment. It's reported that for every dollar spent on email marketing, an average return of $42 is expected. It's no wonder why businesses, small or large, continuously invest in this strategy. With email marketing, businesses can maintain a direct line of communication with their customers, promoting loyalty and repeat business. Last but not least, let's discuss content marketing. Content marketing, in a nutshell, is a strategic marketing approach where you focus on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. It's not about pitching your products or services, but addressing the issues and needs of your potential customers. Imagine it as a continuous conversation with your audience, where you're not just talking about your brand, but you're providing information that makes your buyer more intelligent. And if we do this correctly, our customers will reward us with their business and loyalty. The key to effective content marketing is to be genuinely helpful. Whether it's a blog post, an infographic, or a video, the content should be so good that the audience wants to share it, thereby spreading the word about your brand organically. Content marketing is all about providing value to your customers, building trust, and fostering a strong relationship. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of digital marketing. We started with an introduction to digital marketing, understanding it as a powerful tool that leverages the internet and online-based technologies to promote products or services. It's a field that has revolutionized how businesses connect with their consumers. We delved into search engine optimization, or SEO, which is all about enhancing a website's visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you amidst the vast expanse of the internet. It's a strategy that requires patience and consistency, but provides long-term benefits. Next, we explored the realm of social media marketing, a type of digital marketing that uses social media platforms as a medium to reach and engage with your audience. It's all about building relationships and creating a community around your brand. We also touched upon pay-per-click or PPC, a model where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Influencer marketing, a modern form of word-of-mouth marketing, was also discussed. It involves partnering with influential people within your industry to promote your products or services, leveraging their reach and credibility. Likewise, we dissected affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. It's a performance-based strategy that rewards affiliates for each visitor or customer brought in by their marketing efforts. We then moved on to email marketing, a direct form of marketing that uses electronic mail as a means of communicating commercial or fundraising messages to an audience. It's a way to cultivate relationships with potential customers or retain existing ones. Lastly, we touched upon content marketing, a strategic marketing approach focused on creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. As we've seen, digital marketing is a multifaceted field with a profound impact on our economy and the way we consume products. Each strategy has its unique strengths and purposes, but they all share a common goal: to connect businesses with consumers in a meaningful and efficient way. This is the essence of digital marketing. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of digital marketing.